The difference between hitting quota and missing it usually comes down to one thing: how fast and how consistently you connect with your leads. In Close, there are 3 ways to make that happen: the Power Dialer, the Predictive Dialer, and Chloe. Here's when to use each one. Let's start with the Power Dialer. If your reps are clicking between records, looking up numbers, and deciding who to call next, they're not selling. The Power Dialer keeps them moving. I'll start with the Smart View, which is a saved, filtered view of exactly the leads I want to call. Once I hit call, Close works through the list for me. The moment one call ends, the next one starts dialing, so reps spend less time clicking around and more time talking to prospects. Use the Power Dialer when the goal is simple: work through a list efficiently and have more conversations. Next, the Predictive Dialer. If your reps are burning time on manual dials, voicemails, and dead numbers instead of actual conversations, this is the workflow for you. Close dials several numbers at once and only connects a rep when a real person answers, so they're not sitting through voicemails, busy signals, and dead numbers. I'll turn it on right here in the dialer setting. Use the Predictive Dialer when you're running high volume outbound and want to maximize conversations per rep. And then there's Chloe, Close's AI sales teammate. The fastest team to follow up usually wins, but most teams can't respond to every lead the moment it comes in. Here's how I set her up. I launch Chloe and answer a few questions about my business, my qualifying criteria, and my FAQs. Once she's set up, Chloe calls new leads within minutes, qualifies them, answers their questions, books meetings, and updates the CRM automatically. And because Chloe is built directly into Close, she already has the context she needs before the conversation starts. Use Chloe when you want every lead followed up with quickly, while your reps stay focused on the opportunities that need a human touch. So whether you're working through a call list, running a high volume outbound team, or following up with inbound leads, Close has a calling workflow built for it. Start your free trial and have your first calls running today at close.com/signup.